Hello, everyone. This message is for my automotive recruiters, shop owners, and dealerships. I'm going to be looking at my notes because I'm not that good at kind of remembering stuff and delivering it. So I'm just going to read it right off my notes, and hopefully, you guys give me some, you know, give me some grace for looking down at my notes. So here we go. I want to start from placing humility. Because we get it. At Smarter Way to Apply, we used to be recruiters. Like we in the automotive space, we know how hard it is to find qualified technicians at this time. The pool of qualified technicians is shrinking and is getting smaller and smaller because we have retirements, we have less techs entering the industry. We all understand the technician shortage, right? And so we definitely get it. And we know that because, like I said, we used to be recruiters ourselves. We used to be in those trenches, posting jobs from on every job board, and one thing you'll notice, and we notice, is that the cost to acquire a qualified technician is going through the roof, and that is because the pool is getting smaller and smaller. Uh, but see, that's why we decided to kind of change our business model a little bit. We don't want to be in the business of competing for a small pool of candidates. We kind of want to be in the business of expanding that qualified pool of candidates, right? I can tell you right now, that's not where the money's at, but that's where the need is at. So that's why actually we built Smarter Way to Apply, and that's why we built smarterway to apply.com. Um, the experience is exactly why everything I just mentioned is exactly why we stopped recruiting and started building technology. So now we want to provide like technology solutions to recruiters and shop owners and dealerships to help your recruiting efforts for these technicians. Our mission is really simple: help rebuild and strengthen the automotive community with better, more modern hiring experiences. Right. Our position here is that it's a hearts and minds problem. There's plenty of people in the world. What we suffer from is having kids want to become an automotive technician and seeing that as a valuable trade or a valuable career path. And so, our mission here is simple: build technology that reflects the truth of the trade. I mean, an automotive technician can be that career path is super sticky, super valuable. You can high six figures. You can go into entrepreneurship. It's got many lanes you can go. So we just wanted to build some technology to kind of show technicians that is what we believe. I may have to edit that part out. So our mission is simple. We want to help rebuild and strengthen the automotive community with better, more modern hiring experience. We want our hiring experience to reflect the importance of the work that an automotive technician does. Right. That's why we created Smarter Way to Apply. It's a technician first platform where job seekers can quickly find real automotive opportunities without friction, without noise, and without roundabout. This is where we need you guys' help. Like, we really want to work with you guys to build out smarterwaytoapply.com. That's why we offer job postings there for free, because we don't want to make it hard for you to find technicians. Yeah. And we're not here to nickel dime shops or recruiters either. That's why job postings there are on our platform is free. We want to build a smarter marketplace that actually works for the people turning wrenches and the people trying to hire them, basically. Um, if you're recruiting for automotive roles, we'd love for you to be a part of this. Post your jobs, help us grow our community or help us grow a community, and give technicians a smarter way to apply, a better experience, something that makes them feel proud about what they're applying for. Because the ultimate mission is, I said before, our position here at Smarter Way to Apply is that it's a hearts and minds problem. There's plenty of people out in the world. What we're competing for is the hearts and minds of these of young people to enter the industry, to see the automotive trade as a valuable career path. And we here at Smarter Way to Apply want to build tools that reflect that. So we're really reaching out to automotive recruiters and shops and dealerships to help us on this mission. And all you have to do is post your job on our platform for free. And you never know, you may get a great tech out of it. Okay, till next time, again, this is Charles with smarterwaytoapply.com. Go there, try our beta login experience to post your job. You have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.